Good morning. Uh, when you buy an ultrasound machine, you need to budget. The budget is very important because ultimately the financial dynamics only will decide your project is going to be a good project or a bad project. My sincere advice is before you buy a machine, please work out your financials, number of patients you are going to get, number of referrals you are going to get, what kind of charges are there in the market, your neighbors, based on that come to a conclusion, and then go to the bank and check with the interest and what kind of revenue you would like to make it. Based on that you design the model and the machine. If you want to know more about on this budgeting of an ultrasound machine, do call me 98470 69684. Thank you very much.